In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder in Gmail. Gmail doesn't let you attach an entire folder by itself, so the simple workaround is to compress, or zip, that folder first. Zipping bundles everything inside into a single file and often reduces the total size, which makes it easier to upload and send. Start on your computer by locating the folder you want to share. Right-click it, then choose Compress, or Send to Compressed Zip folder, depending on your system. Your computer will create a new .zip file in the same location as the original folder. If the folder is large, give it a moment to finish compressing before you move on. You'll know it's done when the new zip file appears and the progress indicator, if shown, completes. Now head to Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Click the Compose button to start a new message. A new email window will open. Along the bottom of that window, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach a File. This opens your file explorer so you can pick what to send. Navigate to the zip file you just created. Click it once to select it, then click Open. Gmail will begin uploading the file. You'll see a progress bar or a small attachment chip appear in the Compose window. Wait for the upload to finish before sending. If your file is very large, keep in mind that Gmail's standard attachment limit is 25 megabytes. If it's bigger, Gmail may automatically offer to send it via Google Drive instead. That's normal and helps ensure your recipient can download it without issues. With the attachment in place, enter your recipient's email address carefully to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Add a clear, specific subject line that reflects what's inside the folder, like project files or photos from an event. In the body of the email, include any context or instructions your recipient might need, such as what the folder contains and any notes on how to use the files. Before you send, take a moment to double-check everything. Confirm the correct zip file is attached, the recipient's address is accurate, and the subject and message are clear. A quick review helps prevent resend requests and delays. When you're confident everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will confirm that your message has been sent, and your zip folder will be delivered as an attachment to your recipient. That's all there is to it. You've just learned the simplest way to attach and send a folder in Gmail by zipping it first.